It's JD with the Drive Home Show on KOAS 91.1. We are at the Ford City Car Show. So many different things to see today. There's so much going on. We're taking a look around at some of the vehicles. I have some favorites, I'll tell you. But one of them, look at this Dodge Viper. It's a V10. This engine is absolutely beautiful. If I had a fortune and was not working in radio, I would definitely be looking at buying something like this. So this is all happening at the Ford City Car Show at the Ford City Church. It's formerly known as the Revolutions Car Show. Make sure that you definitely check it out next year, as this year's was awesome. JD with the Drive Home Show on KOAS 91.1.
Real good music, KOAS 91.1.